Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means well. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all. And welcome, welcome, welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some is not. And the Fair Act use is in my description box, y'all. So, let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. So, word on the street is there are more court cases that's pending right now that's going through the same thing that the other case is going through. Okay, y'all? This whole little case of this person, Jane Doe, coming out talking about Jay Z and P. Diddy and what they did and blah, 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 and how they have been responding by bullying and stuff like that and trying to push their weight around and their money around. Well, y'all, they've been doing this for a very long time. Just not too long ago, of what, November? They've been bullying somebody else. Now, this time it's a different type of bullying, but it's still the same thing. Okay, y'all? Now, I know y'all know that, Beyonce, allegedly, and Jay Z has a daughter named Blue Ivy, y'all. Blue Ivy. And, when was Blue Ivy born, y'all? Let's go to Blue Ivy real quick. When was she born? Let's put up Blue Ivy. Blue Ivy Carter was born 2012. That's what they say. Okay. Some people feel like she was born, 2011. I don't know. I wasn't there. Okay. And the hospital was closed. The whole floor was closed down. Okay. For the Carters. Well, she was born 2012. This is what Google is. Okay, y'all? Well, there is a woman, a family, that has been using the name Blue Ivy for years. She has a business, and her whole business is circled around that name Blue Ivy. Now, for some reason, Beyonce and Jay Z them feel like just because they decided to name their child Blue Ivy, that they get the rights to that name. And they've been going back and forth to court, y'all, fighting for this woman's name that she named her business, that she didn't build her brand off of. They're trying to just take it right from up under her. Now, the courts also agreed that they would try to somewhat, try to meet both of them halfway and let Beyonce have rights to the name and, the woman still have her rights to the name. That wasn't good enough for Beyonce. She wants to take it completely from this woman. And this is what I tell y'all about the bullying and the bullcrap that comes from the Carters that I don't like. And just because they got money, they think that they could get their way on whatever it is that they want. So this says on Tuesday, the 43-year-old sensation officially won her court case against a small Wisconsin boutique who had held the trademark since September 2009 for legal rights to the phrase Blue Ivy, according to the trademark official Gazette. Okay? So, according to reports, Beyonce lost the case. Okay? She lost over and over again to get the rights to the Blue Ivy. But she's like Diddy. You can't tell her no. She keeps going after it till she feels that she should get her way. I'm so sick of them. Y'all just don't know. The more I report about Beyonce and them, the more sick of them that I'm getting. Okay. She lost another $50,000 followers. I almost said dollars. That ain't nothing to her. But 50,000 subscribers and followers. She lost another 50,000. Okay, y'all? In a couple of days. I think like 2 days, she done lost another 50,000. So she's still losing followers. Her brand has forever been messed up right now. She's going backwards, not frontwards. And everything that they're doing is being brought to light. So, they just posted this on the Trademark Lawyers channel. If at first you don't succeed, the Carters attempt to trade Blue Ivy again, November 21st, 2024. And she is not giving up. It does not matter. This is what I can't stand about them. So if somebody got a business, just say Jewels or whatever store, you want to say Sam's Club, and then Beyonce them name their baby Sam's Club, then they feel that Sam's Club should bow down. And this is what I cannot stand about them. Okay, y'all, this is what I can't stand. So this was published November 21st, 2024, after long years of legal back and forth. Beyonce and Jay Z are once again asking federal regulators to register their daughter Blue Ivy Carter's name as a trademark. After 12 years of going back and forth, you still won't take no for an answer. And then y'all wonder why Diddy act, and they best friends, and why Diddy act the way he act, that you can't tell him no. And you wonder why Jay Z going after lawyers and all of this stuff. They didn't got spoiled. The system done spoiled them, and now all of a sudden, everything is coming out about them. Every little dirty details of them is popping out to the forefront. It says shortly after Blue Ivy was born in January 2012, allegedly, okay, y'all, Beyonce's company, BGK Trademark Holdings LLC, filed an application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, to secure her distinctive name as a trademark. Jay Z told Vanity Fair that the reason they filed a trademark for Blue Ivy's name was because people wanted to make products based on our child's name, and you don't want anybody trying to benefit off of your baby's name, which is a lie, okay? This lady had this business for a very long time. You see, as early as 2009, people were battling over the trademark of Blue Ivy. And one person won over the other because I guess they had it longer or whatever, and their businesses was all in this stuff, so they let that person keep it. But now Beyonce is trying again. So they done told her no for 12 long years. And now she feel like they done got billionaire status now. They can take it. Take that. Okay, y'all? In today's world, we're profiting off of famous identities has become common. Fortunately, the USPTO has safeguards in place to reject opportunist applications. The USPTO can deny applications to register a trademark if they detect a false connection to a well-known person or institution. If the application includes someone's actual name, they require written consent from that individual. But see, it might be her name, but they had it first, okay? If the application includes someone's actual name, they require written consent from that individual. So I guess they make it Blue Ivy write written consents now. Maybe this is why they try to make her look older than she is. I don't know, y'all, okay? This consent rule was recently upheld in the Trump So Small case, where the court held that famous names can't be used without expression permission. Even if the Carters never attempted to trademark their child's name, they already had certain protection against opportunist trademark applications trying to exploit their child's name. Okay, y'all? So they already was going to be on top of that. If anybody tried to, do some t-shirts or whatever it may be in her name, then they already had something in place for to stop that. But this is not what this is about. This woman had this business all these years. And they're trying to just take this woman's name, her identity, her everything. You done built your businesses off of this name, and now you think somebody, because they have a child and they want to name it Blue Ivy, you want to come and just take it? Y'all, Over the past 12 years, there have been two roadblocks in the Carter's Blue Ivy trademark aspirations. First, Veronica Morales owns a lifestyle event planning business under the name Blue Ivy. She owns Blue Ivy as a registered trademark and initially objected to Beyonce's efforts to register Blue Ivy Carter. However, in 2020, a USPTO tribunal, whatever it is, shut down Morales' complaints, deciding that the services offered by Morales and Beyonce's team were so dissimilar that confusion is unlikely. This was the ruling that the Carter's family was hoping for. However, her BGK attorneys did not file a statement of use or a request to extend time to file a statement of use within the time required, which ultimately led to the abandonment of the application. Okay? Now, fast forward to November 2023, the Beyonce's legal team refiled the trademark application. 2023, a trademark examiner issued a rejection that the mark was confusingly similar to a Wisconsin clothing store Blue Ivy's logo, which has been registered since 2011. Okay, y'all, which was way before. It was before Blue Ivy was even born. Okay, when an examining attorney does this, they determine whether there is a likelihood of confusion between the trademark filing for the specific goods or services and a registered trademark for related goods or services, which would likely lead to consumer confusion regarding the connection between the marks. Beyonce's attorney challenged the rejection, stating the consumption public would associate her with a trademark bearing her name, and the parties each exist and thrive in their own separate worlds and can continue doing so in the future. This matter is currently pending. However, the matter could be resolved through the use of coexistence agreement. A coexistence agreement is a fast forward. Wait a minute, I'm starting over again. Wait a minute, y'all. I got to go back to where I was, so y'all got to give me a minute. Failing services which confusion regarding the connection between the marks. Beyonce's attorney challenged the rejection. The consumer public would associate her trademark bearing the name. Okay, thrive under the separate worlds and can continue doing so in the future. This matter is currently pending. However, the matter could be resolved through the use of coexistence agreements. A coexistence agreement is a legally binding agreement between two parties that allows both to use similar or identical trademarks under certain conditions without infringing on each other's rights. And I still think this is wrong, because if this woman had it first, she shouldn't have to share it with Beyonce now just because that's their daughter's name. Okay, y'all? This raises an interesting question. Should high-profile public figures have a different standard when it comes to trademark? Because this is what they're trying to say, that they get their way regardless. Public figures, by the very nature of their fame, often command significant recognition and influence. There could be an argument where some people are so famous that consumers will think of them even if they are not associated with the mark. On the other hand, for small level shops and entrepreneurs around the country, it would be extremely difficult to get to that level of recognition. That is why in trademark law, there is no special treatment. If you're a global icon or a local business owner, the standards remain the same. You must prove that your mark is significantly different than pre-existing trademarks and that it serves as a clear identifier for your goods or services. Whether or not the Carters ultimately secure Blue Ivy Carter as a registered trademark raises a fascinating debate on whether public figures should have different considerations due to their significant influence and notoriety. Regardless of the outcome, the trademark system remains rooted in its mission to protect consumers from confusion and ensure a fair playing field for all. So she still, just last year, y'all, the end of last year, November the 2024, Beyonce had her lawyer file again. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section about this. Is it time for, I'm just saying, y'all, is this why everybody's sick of Beyonce and Jay Z? Is this why everybody wants to cancel them? Because you are already rich. You already got everything handed to you on a silver platter. Majority of their clothes, people give it to them. They don't even pay for that because they just want them to wear it so that other people can want it. Okay? Um, Everything that they have been given and got was on the backs of other people's. Okay, y'all? Falling or failing. And it doesn't make sense that even everyday people that has their own business, manning their own business with their own business name, can't even get away from Beyonce and them bullying them too. Y'all tell me, do this make sense? That you somebody that has everything in the world. You didn't went and bought a $200 million house that you barely even stay in, okay? You got a couple of houses like this. And this woman that built her company up, you are trying to take her name, not share it. Not share it. She don't want to share it. She wants to take it completely from this woman so that she can own the name Blue Ivy. And so far, she's not getting her way because they don't have the right people in that office right now that they can pay off. And if she did, they just took it from this woman and gave it to Beyonce, and them, especially now. Y'all, this would be all over the place. This would be all over the place. The fact that they are posting it now is because they're showing you all a pattern that they like to get their way no matter what, if they're in the right or wrong. If people try to negotiate something with them, they still figure things should go their way no matter what. But I just wanted to jump on here and see what you all thought about this situation, because this makes me sick to my stomach. That people can't even live their lives doing their everyday thing without Beyonce and them wanting something from them. And if she can't get it by law, they're being pushy. And I'm glad that they're putting this business out to the forefront, because I'm going to tell you it is. When they can't beat you with their lawyers, they use their foot soldiers to come after you then. You know, is this woman's business going to mysteriously go up in flames or something like that? Is they going to start targeting her business because she don't want to share this name, or give this name up, rather, not share, but give this name up to Beyonce? And word on the street, this is just one of the cases of bullying that they have been doing for years. This is what I'm hearing, y'all. Okay? I'm going to say allegedly, but y'all just saw the paperwork that I just showed y'all. This is what people are posting as well. This is a pattern with them. They want to get their way no matter what. No matter what. And word on the street is the judge just gave them permission so they can get them out of their hair. They didn't want to be bothered with them, keep sending motions out every week, every day, every other day. So they gave them their way as far as, can they file something? Go ahead and file the motion. But that does not mean that they're going to win. And keep on telling y'all, Jane Doe got something up her sleeve. I don't know what it is, but I do believe there is some serious evidence on them. But we're going to see, okay? We're going to see. Y'all let me know. Light up the comment section. What do you all feel about Beyonce now trying to take this woman's name of her business just because she decided to name her baby after this woman's business? And how do you all feel about this? And if they do ever take this name from this woman, is everybody, are they going to be canceled for real then? Is people going to hit the roof about this? Because everybody's looking for an excuse. They're looking for an excuse for anything for them to do. And I do believe this is why they posted this. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.